Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back to my another video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you an amazing trick. It is very useful for photo editing. Remove backgrounds from photos. We are familiar with this trick, but we are dependent on software like Photoshop, Pixar, Lightroom, etc. But today which trick I'm gonna share with you, it's without any software, and it also too easy. You can remove your photo background in a second. Now I'm gonna remove this photo background. So let's go started. First, open a browser in your computer and type here www.remove.bg. In this website, you can check previews which kind of photos background you can remove here. Wow, flower pot, car image, and many other things. So now I can start removing for my photo. First, click on select photos and then select your photo, which one background you want to remove. Then wait some time for processing. And finally here, as you can see, my photo background removed successfully. Now if you want to download it, you can click on this download option. You will get your image in PNG format. It's downloaded successfully. Here's my photo. You can also use photo URL for remove background. So I hope this trick will helpful for you. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.